Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong for beginners. Let's get started. First, open your app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap on the paint icon at the top. Scroll through the tiles and choose one that looks easy. This makes it less overwhelming for your first game. Tap it to confirm and tap start. The main goal is simple: match two identical tiles that are free to move, meaning they are uncovered another tile and have at least one free slide which match. When they match, they disappear. Tap your first tile and tap it to matching tile. Keep doing this until all tiles are gone. Don't worry, if you make mistakes, you can always try again. If you get stuck, tap the hint button to see a possible match. You can also use the shuffle button to mix tiles when no moves are left. This helps you learn without pressure. Once you clear all the tiles, you will see your score and time. Tap next to try another puzzle. The more you practice, the faster and better you will get. And that's it. Now you know the basics of playing Vita Mahjong on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.